Witness the magic of nature as a delicate flower unfurls its petals in slow motion, revealing its breathtaking beauty. Watch as clouds drift lazily across the sky, painting a serene picture of endless tranquility. See the morning dew droplets glisten on leaves, each one a tiny world of wonder. Feel the calming effect of a river flowing gently over rocks, a symphony of nature's own making. Marvel at the intricate dance of a butterfly flapping its wings, a fleeting moment captured in slow motion. Experience the rhythmic ballet of raindrops falling, each drop echoing nature's gentle touch. Bask in the golden glow of a sunset as the sky transitions through hues of orange, pink, and purple,